All right, before you begin setting up your meta ads, you need to understand the following two things here. This is extremely important. The first thing, what is your goal for your meta ads? Are you going to be running a lead magnet, right, for lead generation? Are you doing something like a low ticket offer directly to a sales page? Is it a service business, right? Like maybe it's a brick and mortar service. Is it e-commerce, right? Like what is the goal that you want the user ultimately to take, right? So for a lead magnet, obviously it's the opt-in. For the LTO, it's going to be a sale. For the service, it might be, book an estimate, right? So point being, an e-com is probably, again, going to be a sale of a purchase. But point being, you need to understand before you even begin thinking about your creative and all that stuff, because this is going to ultimately determine how you think about all that. What is your overall goal? Now, once you establish what's the overall goal, you have to look at the entire funnel. And when I say funnel, I don't just mean like the sales page and the thank you page. I mean the entire process of the customer to go from cold traffic to sale. You need to look at what does that look like, right? So your Facebook ads purpose in that whole funnel, in that customer journey, is going to be your traffic engine, right? So your Facebook ads, their job is not to sell. Their job is not to make someone buy, not to make someone opt in. Their job is to drive traffic to the page that does the selling, that gets the person to opt in, etc. Right? So that's another thing we want to understand, because we cannot create effective creative if we don't understand what our goal is, and we don't understand the place of our ads as our primary traffic engine in our overall funnel. Now, another consideration before you start setting up your ads, you need to think about who are the ads going to. Are these top of funnel ads going to cold traffic? Are they middle of funnel ads going to warm traffic? Or are they bottom of funnel ads going to hot traffic? Because you're going to speak to each of these different groups of people in your ads completely differently. So quick recap. Before you start getting into the following lessons, make sure you understand what's the goal of the ads right now you're trying to set up. Do you understand, at least you should by now, that the purpose of your ads is not to do the selling, but it is rather to drive the traffic to the place that does the selling or gets the opt-in? And finally, who are you marketing to? Is it brand new people who've never heard of you, who would be here in cold? Is it people who have checked you out but haven't taken the next step, which would be in warm? Or is it your really high intent people? Maybe they initiated the checkout, maybe they booked a call, but whatever, haven't taken the final action. Take these things into consideration, work through these things, make sure you understand these things, then I'll see you in the next lesson.